Pancake is a very popular dish and it varied from places to places. This one in particular is called Japanese souffle pancake. This pancake has taken the internet by storm. It's so light and soft, it's like eating a sweet pancake cloud. First, you need 2 eggs. Separate the white and the yolk. Now take the egg yolk and add milk, vanilla essence, and flour. I'm going to sift my flour to make sure the batter is smooth with no flour lumps. Set it aside once you're done mixing everything together. Now take the egg white and add a teaspoon of lemon juice. The lemon juice is totally optional, but it helps stabilize the egg. Mix using the lowest to the second lowest setting of your mixer. Now when it starts to get foamy, add the sugar little by little. Continue to mix until you reach stiff peak. Next, add about 1/3 of the meringue to the egg yolk batter. Now put it back with the rest of the egg white and mix again. Remember not to overmix your batter. You don't have to put it in a piping bag like I do, but it makes it a lot easier than using a ladle or spoon. Add a little bit of oil and polish your pan. You need to use a very low heat for this, or else the bottom will burn before it's cooked all the way through. Add a little bit of water after you pour the batter. Give it a minute or so before adding more batter on top for extra height. When the bottom turns to a nice brown color, it's time to flip it. Look at that bouncy and jiggly souffle. Add a little bit of water again and close the lid. It took me about 9 to 10 minutes on each side to cook this. And here is the souffle pancake when it's done. You can top it off with maple syrup, honey, whipped cream, or anything you like. I top mine with powdered sugar and some frozen strawberries. It's so light and has that airy feel when you eat this. This pancake is so fluffy and cute looking. To be honest, this pancake is not beginner friendly. It took me about 5 tries to make it this fluffy. It's cute if you try to entertain your guests, but not really practical if you are in busy morning. But in the end, the final result is very rewarding.